to this second video of gross motor activities. In my first video, I explained about gross motor activities and what is the use for doing this exercise. This exercise will help to strengthen our body, especially for the special children. So these activities, if you can do it at home, it will be very good, and also try to do every day. Today I am going to show you few simple exercise that your child or all of you at home can do it along with the special child. I hope this will be useful. So first exercise I am going to show you. Very simple exercise. You can put like this 3 objects. Here I put the chair. So now you can ask the child to walk without touching the chair. So it is very difficult for our special children to walk like this. It is difficult. They may touch the chair or they will fall down. So if the child able to walk without touching the chair or whatever object, that means the child is able to do and his body is having balance, body balance. So these are the first exercise. The second exercise I am going to show you. Same with the chair or any other object, you can use it, because I am going to already explain this exercise will help the child to develop their body and their muscles. So next, second exercise I am going to show you, very simple. Here also I am showing the chairs only, but at home you can use any other object. So ask the child, pick up the chair and come and put it like this. So it is difficult for our special children. Some children, they will bring the chair and they will put out of the way. No, you have to ask the child, replace the chair, pick up and walk and come and put it on this. Again, ask the child to pick up the chair, ask him to, he may put it back away. No, ask him to take it back and ask him to carry again and walk and put it. Now the child is complete the activity, so encourage her. You can clap hands and very good, or you can give high five. So this is the second activities. Now I am going to show you third activity with the ball. Last time also I had introduced few exercise with the ball. So today I am going to show you. Ask the children to hold ball like this, big or small or whatever it is. Ask the child, hold with both hands and ask them to throw upward and ask them to catch. Like this, ask them to catch. The child will be very happy. So this is gross motor activity as well as fine motor, because eye and hand coordination. When they throw ball upwards, they are looking up, and then they are using the hands. So once the child is able to do this exercise, that means throw the ball upwards and catch. Now again, ask the child, throw ball, catch the, clap your hands and catch the ball. It is very difficult for the children. So if the child complete this activity, we come to know the child is good in his body movements, because it is difficult. for the children clap and catch the ball. So this is my third exercise. The fourth exercise I am going to show you. You can keep any object like this, little cap like this. So now you can give the ball. Ask the child, take the ball, and they can ask the child roll it or throw and hit like this. That means the child is able to do this activity. Clap your hands. So some children, most of our special children not able to do this. Ask the children once again. Okay. Hit it. So some children they won't concentrate. They will throw like this. No. So you can ask the child to concentrate and hit like this. So this is also one activity for the child's body movements, also eye and hand coordination. So I hope these activities you can do it at home and you can teach your special children as well as the siblings. So last week also introduced few exercise and today also shown few exercise. This exercise will help especially for the special children to develop their body movements and the balance, and also good for their body muscles. So please try to do this exercise and give us feedback. Thank you so much for watching the second videos. Thank you.